Hailed as a goddess, descended from the heavens, worshipped as a life-giving mother. She originates in the Himalaya of northern India and travels more than 2,500 kilometers across northern and eastern India to get to her final destination, the sea at Gangasagar in Bengal. Nurturing the fertile Indo-Gangetic plains en route and a complete civilization in her path. This is the journey of India's best known and most revered river, the Ganges, or Ganga as it is known in India. To put things in perspective, it is not just a river, but the lifeline of over 500 million people who inhabit its basin. This is more than the populations of United Kingdom, France, Germany and Italy combined. We embark upon an epic journey, unraveling the tale of this ancient river. Through to its mouth in the Bay of Bengal. Along the way, we delve into the good, the bad, and the ugly that faces the river. We discover the mountains and the forests that feed it, the flora, the fauna and the medley of cultures that thrive along its banks. Along with their impact on the river itself. Join us on a memorable journey through space and time. Along the serpentine route of the Ganga, the life-giving river of India.